To save your favourite clinical note types, you will need to select Documentation from the left-hand menu. Add. From the top toolbar, select View, and at the bottom of this list, Customize. You can now choose your favourite notes, move them into your note type list by clicking on the second blue arrow. When you've finished, click Apply, then OK. You'll need to exit the patient's record, but once I go back into the patient's record, my favourites are saved, and these favourites will also be available for you if you choose to create notes in Clinical Notes.